Ever wondered how to make delicious homemade pizza dough from scratch? This recipe is simple and foolproof. The secret to making perfect homemade pizza dough is to let it rise properly and use the right ingredients. Start by dissolving 1 packet of active dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in 1¼ cups of warm water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's frothy. In a large bowl, combine 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour the yeast mixture into the flour mixture and stir until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, punch down the dough and divide it into 2 balls. Roll out each ball on a floured surface to your desired thickness. Top with your favorite ingredients and bake at 475 degrees Fahrenheit 245 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Enjoy your homemade pizza. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.